everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make flaxseed gel. So first off, if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So first, what you will need are flax seeds. So I got 1 cup of flax seeds here. This is optional, but I'm going to actually boil some green tea here, and so I'm using this green tea here, President's Choice tea, and here I also have some water because we're going to boil the flax seeds in the water. So here I have just a little bit under 1 cup of water, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more than that. Alright, so I'm bringing 2 cups of water to a boil, and I also have my green tea bag in there. So I'm going to boil it in there, and then once the water starts to boil, then I'm going to add my flax seeds, and then I'm going to, well, before then I'm going to remove the green tea bag. And then I'm going to bring the flax seeds to a boil. So the reason why I decided to use the green tea bag in the water is because green tea actually has a lot of benefits for hair. So it helps in hair growth, it strengthens the root of the hair, it helps manage split ends, and it slows down the graying process of the hair. So it's really good to drink, of course, but it's also good when you apply it directly to the hair. Alright, so the water is boiling now, as you can see, so I'm just going to remove the tea bag. I'm going to drink that later. And now I'm going to add the flax seeds. So I'm going to leave that in there to boil. So I'm going to show you guys what it needs to look like and the consistency that you're looking for when it's ready. So this is what you want your gel to look like. So this is what the gel looks like when it's ready. Let me just show you. I got a lot of, but you can see like this foamy type substance that forms on the top. That's what you want. Right now it's still pretty liquidy, but yeah, as you can see, look at that. So that's what you want. So I'm just going to turn it off now. Okay, and then you're going to want to prepare yourself a bottle that you can put the gel in. So I got this nice little squeeze bottle here, an applicator bottle. So so then you're going to strain the gel into the bottle. That's perfect. Look at that. That's so thick. Okay, so to strain the flaxseed, I'm going to use a little stocking, but you can use like whatever strainer that you have. That's totally fine. I'm just going to use this because it's nice and fine. Alright, so you're just going to pour the flaxseed in there. So we're doing this just to make sure that the seeds are separated from the gel. And wow, it is still very hot. Now let's transfer the flaxseed to our bottle, or whatever bottle we choose. I'm using an applicator bottle, but you can use whatever type of bottle that you have at home. You can even use a jar, a mason jar, whatever you have at home. So while I'm straining this flaxseed, look at this. Anyway, so while I'm straining the flaxseed, I'm just going to share a few of the benefits of flaxseed gel. Well, it helps stimulate hair growth. It's full of omega-3s, which is amazing for the hair. It helps reduce dandruff. It nourishes the hair. Helps to make hair shiny. Adds luster to the hair. There's just so many benefits of flaxseed gel. And there you have it, the finished product. So aloe vera gel is a really good gel that you can use to style, say, your edges. It's really good, has really strong hold for like styles such as perm rods or flexi rods or anti-knots, whatever style you want to try. This is an excellent holding gel. This can replace this. Actually, I'm going to use this in a future video that I'll be doing on perm rods, because I haven't done a perm rod set in a while. So I'm going to be using this gel as opposed to the holding mousse I've been using, because this is natural and I love natural styling products. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, or if you loved the video, make sure to share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below, and I'll make sure to respond. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.